Hey, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over what I call the room screen. There may be another term that Heartland uses for it, but I call it the room screen. Because all these buttons down here are rooms. So as soon as you sign in to the iPad, this is usually the screen you're going to go to first. So there is a search button down here, which I'll show you that here in just a second. But these are all rooms down here, and it's Heartland's way of using order types. So dine in, to go, online orders, etc. So if you're using table service, you would have your table layout here, and they will start a ticket here. You would just click on the table number. Now I've only got one table on here at the moment, but you would just click on the number and it would start your ticket. The other view you might see, this is a non-table view, so you would just click new ticket to start an order. So usually on to go, I have this. If the establishment has a bar, then I have bar tabs, which looks exactly the same. Now you can have as many of these as you want. If you've got two different areas, two different seating areas, we can have two different seating areas down here. If your bar, if you want more options than just starting a new bar tab or a new bar ticket, and you have actual seats, and you want to have a layout for that, and we can do that as well. And then we almost always have an online orders room as well, because when online orders are placed online, we need the tickets to go somewhere. And it can get confusing if we have it just in to go, and this is like, and you're keeping your call-ins and your walk-ins that want to go items and your online orders here. So we try to separate it a little bit and just have online orders here. Plus, once you get an online order, there's a little number that pops up here on the corner letting you know that there's an online order that comes in, just so that everybody's kind of alerted. Now, the search button is going to take you to some ticket views, and I'm actually going to cover that on another video. So for now, that's it on this video. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.